Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2016 CVO Pro Street Breakout with a 110 cubic inch Screaming Eagle engine and a 6-speed transmission. Comes equipped with a high flow air cleaner, a Reinhardt exhaust, a 2-up seat with the passenger backrest. It's all blacked out, upgraded grips, and this bike has only almost out of gas, 4,009 miles. Let's listen to the exhaust. Sounds great. It's fresh out of detail, fresh out of service, and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.